Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a very unique sabzi made from papaya. So without any further ado, let's begin. Take a papaya. This is around 450 grams. Papaya should neither be too raw nor too ripe. That's the ripening stage we require for making the sabzi perfectly. Remove all the seeds and peel off the skin. And cut into dice like so. Take a saucepan, add the entire papaya cuts, add a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, give it a nice mix. Now close the lid and bring this to a boil. Cook till the papaya turns soft and tender. It will take around 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, the papaya has cooked very well. Once the papaya starts to turn translucent like so, that means it has cooked well. Now remove it from the saucepan and transfer it to another plate and keep it aside. Take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it starts to splutter, add a pinch of fenugreek seeds. Add few curry leaves. Now add the crushed shallots and green chillies. Here I've taken about 35 to 40 shallots and 2 green chillies. You can add green chillies as per your spice preference. Add 2 teaspoons of chilli flakes. Add half teaspoon of salt. Remember, we have already added salt while boiling the papaya, so be careful when adding salt. Now saute this really well till the shallots turn golden brown like so. Now add the boiled papaya. Mix it so the masala gets coated well on papaya. Now close the lid and cook it only for 30 seconds so all the flavors get combined well together. And that's it, our delicious papaya sabzi is ready to be served. Let's do the plating. This can be best enjoyed with chapatis or rice. Do try this recipe. Hope you have liked it. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.